Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're taking you out to the St. Patrick's Day Festival at the Northeast Fl Fairgrounds and the Callahan Cruisers special monthly cruise in at the fairgrounds for the St. Patrick's Day Festival. Whew, what a mouthful. Anyway, we went out and checked this car show out. This was part of our monthly Callahan Cruisers. We had a lot more cars out there at this than we would have at the Hardee's restaurant. Anyway, this is going to be our car show cam. Not a whole lot on it, but there is, the coming in and leaving, maybe a couple of cars you see passing by. If you're not into that, you can skip on to one of the other ones. There's going to be lid cam, there's going to be scooter vision, there's going to be walkabout cam. There's plenty of other videos from this event that you can watch. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. It really helps out the channel. We're trying to grow our channel, like every other YouTuber. We want to grow. So that's about all I got. I'm gonna shut up. We're gonna get you out to the car show. Let's rev it up for them hot rods.
Oh, it's in the back?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's off of the parking lot.
And everybody's trying to go in the front. Cat sitting in the door back there. Yellow tabby.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Well, we're pulling out my chair
Okay.
when we get settled. Yeah, we're not going to have the Mustang ready for the railroad days. So what am I driving, or are you just dropping me off?
We'll discuss that in a minute.
I think we go in there.
Yes.
We're here with Callahan Cruisers?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay,
All right.
Thank you. Where you going to want to park?
Good question. I already see one you're walking.
Which one?
The green and black one there. On the back row here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Why don't you park on this end then?
Alright.
And that way we can either leave our tailgate down or park over here. I don't care which. But I think we should be fine to park here with you and leave your tailgate down.
Yep.
But we've walked it before, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The question is, do we want to run back and put a camera back there?
I don't think so. I think what's here is going to be here.
You may be right.
Yeah.
That's Greg's.
Oh, that's his Nissan.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just wear my Callahan Cruisers hat. Or take one of them $35 gift cards and buy me a new hat. We'll look when we get there. Oh, you're going down here and around?
Yeah.
All right.
That's all part of that.
There ain't no turnaround over here.
No, but I'm gonna cut around these two cars.
Okay. He gets to take all the others in his. No, where are the girls? Were they not here
There's one in.
with her?
Yeah. Because there's only 2 seats in that Blazer.
Yeah, Michelle wasn't with them today, was she?
Nope. She must have had to work today.
Or she stayed with Brandy.
Oh, that's what I was hearing a minute ago.
Yeah. Where is she going? Don't they both head to the same gate? I guess not. No, but you can go all the way down there.
Mm-hmm.
Crystal's liking driving that truck. Now that Daddy's got his own.
There's where the rest of them are. In the Escalade.
Oh, yeah.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Yeah, I didn't think Crystal had anybody in that truck with her. She's a little scared of it. Gee, they could have went down that way and went
Gas.
to one of...
Gotta go get gas.
Yeah.
Blazer don't go nowhere without a full tank of gas.
Well, and Randy ran out of gas coming over on 108 this morning, they said. Because he forgot to put gas in it. And somebody else drove it and didn't put gas in it.
Ain't got no gas in it.
It ain't got no gas in it.
Of course, she didn't know how to drive that truck either.
That's unusual. Glad I didn't jump out there.
Mm-hmm. Clear. I guess if everything is downloaded on here, the only thing we need to leave on here is each week's. So we need to start deleting everything else.
You can start taking a bunch of them damn games off of there.
Yeah, that too. Oh, some of them are up here. They must not have got the message, huh?
Yeah, they didn't.
All the clubs down there at the fairgrounds.
Yeah, but they should have took the sign off the thing. You know, nobody knew.
Yeah, they posted, I think, on Facebook.
I don't do Facebook.
Yes, sir. That's where they're all at, though, if you're wondering.
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir.
And they announced it repeatedly last time
Uh-huh.
we were here.
Yeah, maybe they weren't here last time when they announced it.
That one was. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
He wasn't listening.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Yeah, wasn't that green truck down there already?
Maybe. Yeah, I think it was.
Uh-huh.
Hey, you saw.
There's you some napkins.
You don't need them now.
That's pretty good. Weird stuff for sale. Page Street.
Yep. Oh, my phone. Let me record my outro.
Okay.
You can pick the pickle off of it.
All right.
All right, everybody, that's going to wrap it up for this edition of the Dashboard Channel. We're going to from the Northeast Fl Fairgrounds, St. Patrick's Day Festival, Callahan Cruisers monthly cruise in for March. We had a great time out there. It was a great event. We had a ton of cars come out. Unfortunately, we even had cars show up at the Hardee's down the road for the regular Callahan Cruisers cruise in that didn't know anything about the fairgrounds cruise in. It was unfortunate, but it happened. But hey, we got them on the dash cam, the dashboard channel cam. So if you want to see the little oopsie there, you can go over and look at that. Anyway, that's going to wrap it up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. It's really important. We're trying to grow the channel. We have to get to that 500 subscriber count to get the YouTube dollars. They're advertising on my videos all the time, but I'm not getting paid a dime until I get to 500. Anyway, we're at 358, so we are clawing our way there ever so slowly. Yeah, we get 1, 2 a week, sometimes 10 on the big weeks. Those are weird. Those are few and far between. Those are rare. Average is 3 a week. I swear. So, any help you guys would be on that would be great. We love going out to the car shows. We love going out to the car shows for you, taking you along for the ride. We're out here going to the car shows so you guys can do whatever you want to do. And you can enjoy the car show from your couch. Watch it on TV. Watch it on your cell phone. You can watch it anywhere you want. It's there forever. So you can experience the car show from home without having to go. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do enjoy the video, make sure you drop us a like. Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. That's all I got. I'm going to keep going out to the car shows for you as long as you guys keep watching the videos. So we'll see you guys out at the car show, wherever the next car show takes us.